Hello everyone! Today we're taking you to Trieste, right on the Italian border. So far, we visited 9 countries and made short documentaries with stunning 4K drone footage. If you missed any, check out our YouTube channel. Trieste is home to around 200,000 people. It might not be as large as Rome or Milan, but it has a vibrant and diverse community. The city's significance lies in its rich history and strategic location. Trieste has long been an important port, welcoming ships from all over the world. Its harbour is one of the busiest in Europe, playing a crucial role in international trade. Geographically, Trieste sits in a plain area. This flat terrain makes it easy to navigate, whether you're walking through historic streets or exploring modern neighborhoods. But Trieste isn't all flat. The city is flanked by picturesque mountains. These hills offer stunning views and are perfect for hiking and outdoor activities. The mix of flat plains and rolling hills gives Trieste a unique and varied landscape. One of Trieste's most remarkable features is its long coast. The city stretches along the Adriatic Sea, providing residents and visitors with beautiful beaches and clear blue waters. The coast is lined with charming cafes, restaurants, and promenades where people can relax and enjoy the sea breeze. Trieste's flat plains and nearby mountains offer diverse landscapes, while its extensive coastline provides endless opportunities for enjoyment and relaxation. The Victory Lighthouse in Trieste, completed in 1927, is not just a beacon for ships, but also a historic monument. It was built to honor the sailors who died at sea during World War I. This towering structure stands at 223 feet, symbolizing hope and remembrance for those lost in the war. The Temple of Monte Grisa in Trieste is a modern and unique church. Completed in 1965, its striking architecture stands out. The temple was built as a symbol of peace and to honor the Virgin Mary. Perched on a hill, it offers breathtaking views of the city and the sea. Trieste's architecture in the flat areas is truly captivating. The city is known for its charming orange roofs that add a splash of color to the skyline. Many houses have been beautifully renovated, blending the old with the new. Trieste is also famous for its canals, which run through the city, giving it a unique and picturesque charm. Among the modern touches, you'll find several historic sites that tell the story of Trieste's rich past. These elements together make the city's architecture a delightful mix of tradition and modernity. The Serbian Orthodox Church of St. Spiridon in Trieste is a beautiful and historic landmark. Completed in 1869, this church is known for its stunning Byzantine architecture and richly decorated interiors. The church's vibrant frescoes and intricate mosaics reflect the deep cultural heritage of the Serbian community in Trieste. It's a place of worship and a symbol of the city's diverse religious history. Visitors are often captivated by the church's serene atmosphere and artistic beauty. Surrounding the Serbian Orthodox Church of St. Spiridon are several historic buildings that showcase Trieste's architectural diversity. These structures, with their elegant facades and rich history, add to the charm and cultural depth of the area. The Canal Grande in Trieste is a picturesque spot lined with charming buildings that reflect the city's rich architectural heritage. Along the canal, you'll see boats gently parked, adding to the serene and scenic atmosphere. The mix of historic and modern architecture nearby creates a beautiful backdrop for a leisurely stroll or a relaxing boat ride. Miramare Castle, built between 1856 and 1860 for Archduke Ferdinand Maximilian, exudes an air of regal splendor. Its interiors are richly decorated, showcasing period furnishings and art that offer a glimpse into royal life. The castle is surrounded by robust stone walls, adding to its fortress-like appearance and historical charm. The surrounding park spans over 54 acres, filled with exotic plants, statues, and winding paths, perfect for a leisurely walk. The castle's strategic location on a promontory allows visitors to enjoy panoramic views of the Gulf of Trieste, making it a must-see destination. The combination of historical architecture, beautifully maintained gardens, and stunning coastal scenery makes Miramare Castle a true jewel of Trieste. The beaches of Trieste, with their clear blue waters and sandy shores, are perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and relaxing. Visitors can enjoy activities like kayaking, paddleboarding, and beach volleyball. Coastal cafes and restaurants offer local delicacies with a sea view, making Trieste's beaches a delightful escape for both adventure and relaxation. With this, we end our Italian series for now. Next time, we will explore neighboring countries such as Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia, Albania, Bulgaria, and Austria. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.